now.
Very quickly, and it can become fatal. Outlook. The heat advisory may need to be extended into Saturday before thunderstorms.
Oh, get into your observation on that one.
The National Weather Service now getting until 2:30 p.m. and 1:45 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Port Jefferson and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Mount Sinai, Coram, Middle Island, Yaphank, Rocky Point, Brookhaven National Laboratory, Reading River, Manorville, Riverhead, and Calverton. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties: Suffolk County, New York,